Hey guys, it's PMHK here, and I'm actually kind of been thinking of changing the way I greet you guys. I just checked if the mic is on. I've been planning to change the way I greet you guys because before I started making YouTube videos, I used to watch a lot of MKBHD videos, and the way I greet you guys kind of sounds like the MKBH way of greeting. You guys can go check him out. He's actually a big American YouTuber. But hey, what is up, guys? This is PMHK. I think it says, hey, what is up, guys? This is MKBHT here and something like that. But tell me what you guys think. Should I change the way I greet you guys, or that's fine? We can just stick with it. Anyways, I'm making this video because I wanted to talk to you guys about the reason I really haven't uploaded this week. And the reason is because I actually have a couple of packages here. Let me just hide my address. These are packages right there for me to make videos this week, the next week, and yeah, I'm planning to make maybe 3 videos out of these things over here. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys the reason I haven't been uploading this week. This is has been frustrating me for quite a while now. Let's jump to it. Hey Google, turn on male bedroom.
Alright, turning to lights on.
So the reason I haven't been uploading will be explained once I manage to open this package here. Sorry. We cannot be doing this anymore. We need an unboxing knife. I'm struggling to unbox this. Okay, let's try this one more time. What can I use? Aha, I can use this to unbox. Success, we are in. So, this is what's gonna help us continue the videos I make. This is a 2 terabyte My Passport Western Digital hard drive. I think it's USB 3.0. Not I think, it is USB 3.0 if I'm not mistaken. And my MacBook right now is pretty full, and you guys know I hardly use a big PC. I do have a couple of storages in the big PC. Namely, I think I have 2 1 terabyte, one 500, and I don't know the other one. But I cannot move files from the Mac to the big PC because I don't have a place to export them to and then import them out. So with this guy, what I'm gonna do is transfer some files here, or most of the files I'll transfer on this guy, and I'm gonna then back them up either here or back them up in the big PC. So this is mainly the reason you guys haven't seen any video this week. Obviously, also because it was a public holiday on Monday. I know that shouldn't be an excuse for me not to upload a video, but it was a public holiday and we're busy doing some things that I'm actually gonna make a video about. I was in the process of making that video this morning, but then I realized that I really need this guy. Let's unbox it so I can show you guys what's inside. I'm talking too much. You guys probably want to see what's inside, right? Fortunately or luckily, I'm not gonna need a knife again to unbox this one. So I'm struggling. I really need a knife. Do you guys want to send me a knife for me to start unboxing? Or do you know any company that does or makes knives? You can maybe link them somewhere or just comment their name, or you can actually just tag them on one of my pictures in Instagram so they can send something over to me for me to start unboxing my stuff, because I'm tired of using the kitchen knives. If you guys don't know, I normally use the kitchen knives to unbox. But yeah, we are inside this guy, and wow, some paperwork. We don't need to read that, and to have this inside and the actual guy here. I hope I've been on focus, because no, okay, automatic focus is still on. I thought I had switched off the automatic focus, but yeah, some cable. This is what I'm going to use to obviously connect USB to whatever the hell this is. Okay, and the actual My Passport Western Digital drive. It's actually quite beautiful, hey? I just hope it doesn't get dirty quick because it's white, but otherwise it should work. Okay, I'm gonna leave this plastic down. Nah, let's remove it. I hate leaving packets, plastics and packages. So yeah, there you have. There you go. We have the Western Digital hard drive, 2 terabyte. By the way, I was on the internet. Obviously, before I buy something, I always do my thorough research. Specifically because I like buying things that make sense, like in terms of prices. And there's a lot of places online that you can actually go and look for these things. One example, Incredible Connection sell these guys for 1,600. Dion White is selling it for 1,400, and Take a Lot has them for 1,300. But because I wanted to deliver it today, one day delivery, I mean same day delivery, I actually bought it in the morning and Take a Lot deliver it right now, which is okay. That's my dead Apple Watch. We don't need that. So Take a Lot actually delivered this guy right now around 3 o'clock, which it's really comes in handy when you need something the same day and you don't have to wait it to arrive the next day. So I'm gonna be using this guy to transfer the files, as I said, and hopefully I'm going to upload this video just now, and I'm gonna work on the other video which I will upload in a day's time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's PMHK here, and I will catch you guys. Wait, make sure you subscribe first. Yeah, that's one. Subscribe, hit that notification button, because you know, you guys that are not you guys that have hit the notification button, obviously when I'm doing those unannounced giveaways where I normally give some Take a Lot vouchers, if you have clicked that notification button, you're gonna be the first one to see the video, and you're gonna stand a better chance in actually getting that voucher. So if you haven't done that, make sure you do that and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm out of things to say, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.